Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Windows button board from a Dell Inspiron 3147. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove screws, then carefully pry up and unsnap bottom cover. Then remove screws, then unplug and loosen hard drive cable. Now remove battery. Now unplug wireless antenna cables. Next, unscrew and remove LCD cable bracket. Now unplug display and LCD cables. Then unscrew left and right hinges. Remove LCD display assembly. Use fingers to pry apart and separate back cover from screen. Then unscrew and disconnect Windows button board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.